Hello, everyone. So, you did it. We're in week 8. You made it. We're finally at the finish line. This is our final week of English 123, College Composition Part 2. We have a discussion forum this week, so make sure that you post by Thursday and comment twice. A few people forget to do the comments and it costs points, so just make sure that you do them. Having said that, the most important thing to remember, your 8-3 reflection assignment counts for almost as many points as the final draft of your essay. So what happens many times in this class is that people do that essay week 7 and they think that they're done and they don't have to worry about this class anymore, and maybe they even do the discussion forum and then they don't do the reflection. The reflection is technically your third project. If you remember, I introduced the 3 projects to you the first week of class. The first project was your writing plan that you did weeks 1 through 4, and I think you turned it in week 3. And then you kind of think about that plan, consider the plan week 4, and then you did project 2, which was your essay week 5. Then you took some time to think about and consider your essay, and then in week 7 you did the whole essay, right? So now is your third project. Project 3, what is the assignment asking for? First, it's 2 to 3 pages with proper citations if you need them. Second, it's asking for a few specific things, and this is basically what the rubric is asking for. Reflecting on the argument, reflecting on the exploration of your issue, what you learned about the topic, reflecting on your research and integrating sources, reflecting on your writing strategies, and then having clear grammar, syntax, all that stuff that we always ask for. So, argument. What specific feedback did you incorporate into your final essay when it came to the argument? This should include my comments on your smaller assignments as well as your first draft. It should have any insights you got elsewhere, like the peer review from people outside the class. Be specific. Give examples. 2, exploring the issue. What specific decisions did you make in your essay after reading more about your issue or topic? How did the argument or essay change as you did research and found out more about the topic that you picked? 3, integrating sources and doing research. What feedback did you incorporate into your final essay when it came to research and integrating sources? Again, this should include my comments on your research, small assignments, first draft, and then any insight you got elsewhere from the discussion forums or from people outside the class. 4, writing strategies. What writing strategies were most important or helpful when trying to support the argument you chose? So I recommend that for this, you go back and take a look at your first week. What did you do the first week? What was your initial thought process or argument? What were my comments on there? What did you talk about in that discussion forum? The first time we had a discussion forum about the topic. What were your thoughts on your smaller assignments? It changes so much from week 1 to week 7, right? So take a look at those, and that can help you when you're reflecting on everything. As a final note, your final drafts of your papers can take me a bit of time to grade because I do compare them to the first drafts from week 5 to see what you changed. But again, everything will be done by the end of the week. I don't have many resources for you this week except for the video that I've included here. I think it explains how to write a reflection essay pretty well. So that's it for me right now. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, everybody.